guys, ngihleli phela lana watching the recent episode of Homecoming and I'm like, what the hell? Why would uSifiso treat uMankonyane like that? Wenzani? What is he trying to do? I mean, ngokusho intombazane nje one eslimo usuyagijima uthola unkosikazi wakho ngale ndlela leya. No, man, uSifiso bayathithiza like bathithiza lokhu kwangempela. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, phela uSifiso ufuna ukuzijona sophashile la. Uyasuka sula uZethu amlanda wamletha uMankonyane because she was hating. She decided to azame na ukuseva umshado wakhe wadlisa lo Zethu lo poison noma yini lamdlisa yona ke. It's fine, but she had the right to do that. I mean, indoda yakhe after all belo indoda yakhe kumele thini kumele njani. I support uMankonyane on this one. So nangoku uSifiso ecasukele lo nto leyo ukuthi uZethu umshire. I mean, mina I'm thinking ukuthi even if ukuthi uMankonyane never poisoned uZethu would have left. Ubezohamba still amshisi uZethu akaphila kahle ekhaya. uZethu doesn't think, uZethu doesn't reason. uZethu la ucabangela yena manje, cabanga into ofuna ukuyenza yena manje. Kube ukuthi manje I'm worried ukuthi intwana yami uSifiso because I saw ukuthi ubenza lapha eTavern edakiwe laphayana, unable to control himself and everything. Now I'm worried ukuthi we lo mfana lona uzokwenza izinto ezibheda ngaphezulu kwaloko abekade kwenza lapha eTavern. And even worse now akanamuntu ozomkhuza because uMankonyane is no longer there. Uzoxoshela semsebenzi into ozalandela. Impilo kaSifiso is going to be hell. Awumazomisa kanjani because uma ngabe sehambile intombazane lesilimo uZethu yena bekumele ahlale lo Mankonyane aphathe uMankonyane kahle lakhahle uZethu bezubuyela noma ngabe ufuna ukubuya. Uma ngabe engafuni ukubuya futhi she was never going to come back. Manje I don't understand what Sifiso is doing and he bought me shame. I'm so happy that uMankonyane decided to leave. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzoba happy after she has left and everything. So uzofika abe right laphayana. Uma ngabe uthi uSifiso uyamdinga, he's gonna call her. And if kuukuthi this is how they are planning to end Sifiso's character, I think this show is going to be very long because Sifiso is boring me already. Guys, I don't know about you. So do comment there in the comment section. Share your thoughts, share your opinions about this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.